Hello, Biology 211 instructors. This is MJ Payne. I'm your McGraw-Hill rep, and I wanted to walk you through this master course that we created and copied over to your Connect accounts. So if you log into Connect, and you should scroll down and be able to find this course. It's called Turnkey Course 2019. But then I created the section here below that says Delgado Biology 211 Master Course Fall 2018. So click into that once you open it up to see what we have in here. And for those of you, I know a lot of you have already used Connect. You've got your regular Connect here with your libraries where all your instructor resources, the performance, the grades. You have your instructor view, your student view. You've got your ebook. I want to mention we do have two different ebooks now. So we've got our Smart Book, which is the Learn Smart Assignments, the highlighted adaptive book where the students answer questions and then move through the book that way and get different feedback. And then we also have another ebook right below here, which is it's built in HTML now, and it's a traditional style ebook. The advantage of this now with this ebook, we also have an app called Read Anywhere. And the Read Anywhere app, as long as the student or you have a Connect account and have access to this book through your Connect account, you can access the ebook through the Read Anywhere app, which can be on your phone or your notebook or whatever device, iPad, etc. And students can download a chapter at a time and be able to read offline. So that's the advantage to that. So just Read Anywhere. Think of that. You can tell your students about that as well. In this course, the first things we have here, this first tab is the instructors only training resources. And if you open that up, you'll see we've got some links to so these are external links to some of our resources for Connect. So if you want to learn more about different things, click on those. This Turn Course Key will walk through everything that's in this course. Now, I did modify this with Theo because y'all don't use all the chapters for 211. So this particular course I copied to you does not have all these chapters, but you can look on this spreadsheet and go to the chapters that I do have in the course. Like, let's see, I think we start with chapter 3, I believe, or something. So we can click on chapter 3 and you can see the learning objectives that are covered, and you can see which ones we might have some activities assigned. If you scroll down, you'll see the Learn Smart. Now, we modified these because they were so long, from 2 hours and 2 minutes, etc. That's way too long for you to assign. So we did adjust these. In fact, chapter 3, we modified, I believe, into 2 different assignments, and the rest of them we just did around 30-minute assignments. But you can, of course, modify those however you want. And then these are the homework assignments. So it's just listing some of the different things that are covered in that. And then the summative assignments. So we have a quiz in each chapter, which is test bank content pooled by learning objectives, and it's got 25 multiple choice pulled from a pool of 69. So that's available if you want to do it, but of course you don't have to. You can modify whatever you want. But I just wanted to show you where that was in your course. So let me click out of that right now. All right, and I'm going to return to the section Home. The other thing that included in the course are orientation videos, so Connect orientation and Smart Book orientation, and these are assignments your students can do to learn more about how to use Connect and Smart Book and the reports and all that. So those are really good for students, especially who have never used Connect, but even those who have might need a refresher. So then if you open up, we put these into folders to make it a little bit cleaner for you when you're navigating everything, and you can change the names of the folders if you want to do like week 1 or whatever. You can change everything you want. But if you open up like chapter 1, you can see we have a Learn Smart assignment in here, a homework assignment, and then a test or quiz. So you can kind of just edit any of these that you want, or just totally delete them and add what you want to remind you how to edit anything, you just click into the assignment here and then go to Edit Assignment on the right hand side and click that. And of course for Learn Smart, we just have where you can pick the objectives that you cover, the topics. These do open up more, so you can click that plus sign, and like that one didn't have much, but these will have a lot more subtopics. So if there's certain topics that you don't cover at all, I would recommend unchecking those topics so that the students aren't asked questions about it. But if you do cover everything, you can just kind of keep it as we have it, like about 30 minutes, or if you want to adjust the content up or down, you can do that. And then after that, you just change whatever you want. You can change point values. We have these set for 10 points each. And you hit Next Assign. And then scroll down. And if you want to change your due date, you can here. And then Assign. And then that's done. You can go back to the Home button here, upper left-hand corner. And let's open up to another type of assignment. Same type of thing. You could click here in any of our other homeworks and click the drop-down menu, Edit Assignment. And if you wanted to add any questions, you would click there and pick different things. You can delete any assignments. You can change the point value for anything by changing point value here. Just a multitude of things that you can change. Once you do that, you just can hit continue, and you can see all the policies that we have. So for homework, you hit expand advanced settings. Look at all these policies. If there's anything you want to change, you can edit it, change it, and save it as a default for that category if you wish, or just for a particular assignment. So then at the bottom, after you're done with all that, hit Review and Assign. And again, you can change any dates. If you have multiple sections, you can check it to be assigned to the other sections. And then hit Assign. So again, that's just a refresher on how to edit any assignments. As far as changing dates, all you do is click to the right of the assignments and then go up here to the paper stack. That's where you can change everything, and hit Manage Dates. And you have a choice of here you can shift everything in bulk. Like if you wanted both of those to start at the same day or due at the same day, put that. Or you can do it individually if you want to change just like a start date and a due date, different ways, okay? So after you do that, you just hit Save and you're done. Oops, I've got to change my start date. It's a different time. Oh, and you know what I noticed here? This says Eastern time. So I'm going to show y'all how to change the time zone here, because we definitely don't want to have it on Eastern time, because your students will be upset if you say it's due at 11 o'clock and it's really turned off at 10 o'clock, or for example. So I'm going to go ahead and put down that this would open up on August 18th, since that's your start of school. And hit Save. Now to change that time zone, I'm going to show you how we do that quickly. So we go back to your My Courses page, and then you're going to find that course, and so I'm just going to go to, and here it is again. Here you're going to click actually to the top, this parent course here to the right, click on that, the three dots, and hit Edit Time Zone, and here we can change it to Central Time Zone. Whoops. Sometimes it's hard to find on here, but usually it's like I have to click into one and then, oops, I don't want Hawaii time either. And of course, when you're doing this for a thing, it's like not wanting to do. There we go. Let's see. And Central, finally found it. All right, and save. Okay, so now the time zone is changed. We go back into the course. And the other thing wanted to show you, is how you can move other things into folders and all if you want to do that. So, or edit any group. So say you wanted to change this name of it from chapter 1 to maybe week 1. You can just go up here to group and hit edit. And then you would just go to that chapter 1 and click there to edit that or change anything you wanted to that way. If you wanted to add a new group, you'd go group add. And so like if we wanted to add orientation, and then to move, you just click to the right of the assignments and then hit move, and then pick whatever group that you want, folder you want it moved to, okay? So that's how that works. All right, so that's the overview. Just always, remember too, the help up here is a really good place to go if you to get to tutorials or just our support desk or whatever, anything like that. And of course, feel free to contact me, MJ Payne, and you can reach me at mj.payne@mheducation.com. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.